Hey everyone. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. This is the best possible therapy anyone could ask for. I could walk miles and miles and miles in nature. Oh, dodge the horse's manure. But I'm going to show you. Listen to the birds singing. Right. Wish I'd have brought my little Roxy Roo over here. She'd have loved it. But I will. She'll absolutely love it. She really will. She'll run miles just like me. Well, not run, walk. She's getting a little bit old now, bless her. But I come out here when I need to clear my mind. Really when I just want to be free. You know, to lose any of this. You know, the skies, trees that give us oxygen. Don't forget that. We need trees to survive, just as we need bumblebees to survive. Our little honeybees. Everything has a purpose in nature. Everything. That's right. Just listening to the birds. I can't see any at the moment. I've seen quite a few joggers though. I'm one for wrapping up warm in this weather though, I'm afraid. I think, well, if you're hot, you can take it off. But if you're cold, oh, you can't. You never warm up. Well, I don't anyway. Not until I've had a nice hot chocolate and a nice hot bath. But that's what it is. I think horses have been stabled here at some point. You spot the signs. I won't show you. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a little dog over there just looking at me. Hello. Had a little nose at me. Bless him. Oh, it's absolutely lovely over here. Thing is, go out into nature. It's so relaxing. It's good therapy. It's good exercise. Even if you take a slow walk. I do take a lot of photos in nature as well. It's one of my little crafts and my creativity. And I really get so much pleasure out of it all. Take a little walk down here. Looks like there might be a river down here. Oh, yay. I'm exploring, you see. Not been here before. Oh, wow. Yes, look. See, this is what we need to keep. Nature's a part of us. Mother Earth. You hear the river? Can you hear it trickling? Two little dogs down there.
Come on, little one. Oh, look at your feet.
At least you won't smell.
Well,
Hopefully.
my new carpet I'm worried about.
Oh, crumbs. The dog just tried to take a dip in the water. Oh dear. But it is what it is. They've got to be happy too. Just like we have. Song springs to mind. Bring me sunshine. Bring me laughter. All the while. Music's a good therapy as well. So some of the songs that pop into my brain are sort of like, whoa. But hey, it is what it is, isn't it? At the end of the day. But one thing I will say is we need all this beauty because it's inspiration, it's health, it's pleasure, it's happiness, happiness. Oh, it really is. Anyway, this was just a short video. Bit of my happiness therapy in nature. So, everybody, get out there and enjoy. Mwah! Love and light.